Hello and welcome everyone to the official tutorial for GST Reco Pro. If you are a chartered accountant, an article, or part of a corporate tax team, you know the pain of spending hours manually copying and pasting data from GSTR PDFs into Excel. GST Reco Pro is here to change that. It is a powerful, locally run tool designed to process GSTR1 and GSTR3B documents simultaneously, extracting and formatting your data into perfect Excel sheets in matter of seconds. Before we jump into the walkthrough, let's quickly look at what makes GST Reco Pro so special. First, unmatched speed and scale. You can drop up to 24 documents in one go. Our pipeline processes them really fast. Second, error-free extraction, whether your GSTR forms have complex nested rows, split columns, or irregular page breaks, our tool perfectly maps everything to standard compliance templates. Finally, and most importantly, zero data risk. We know client, pri- client data privacy is your top priority. GST Reco Pro processes everything locally on your machine. No PDF data is ever sent to external servers. Your client's sensitive financial information stays right where it belongs, with you. Alright, let's quickly learn how we can use the tool. On the home page, when you see on the top right, there is a try now option. You need to tap it. Once you tap on the try now option, you would be on the login page of the website. You can either log in with your email or using Google, or you can simply create an account using your email or using Google. For now, I'll be logging in with an existing Google account that I used to log in previously. Once you tap on continue with Google, you would be shown with all the accounts that are logged in on your device. You can choose one of them. I would suggest you to use Google because that is really fast and also convenient. Once you are logged into the website, you should be on the tools page, and there is an option to upload your PDFs. You can either tap on this button to upload your PDF, or you can just drag them to the area, to the upload area. Once you drop them here, they will be uploaded. Well, not really uploaded, they will be loaded on your device locally. Now, once you have queued all the 24 files for processing, you need to select the filing frequency. It is set on monthly by default, but you can select QRMP based on your requirement. Now, the next thing that you see is available credits. You can only convert as many times as there are credits in your account. Now, to initiate the conversion, you need to tap on process 24 files option. Once you tap it, the conversion will begin. Mind you, all these conversions and extraction are happening locally on your device. Now, as you can see, there is an option to download the Excel report. Once you tap it, you can see our Excel report is downloaded. Let's see how accurate it is. You need to enable editing to see all the text on the Excel sheets because some are mathematical formulas that have been feeded to the fields. Now, as you can see, for GSTR1, we have everything mapped down properly and in a well formatted way. For GSTR3B as well, we have every field and value formatted to their respective columns. We also have an additional sheet where you can compare the values between GSTR1 and GSTR3B. We have a fourth column which lists down all the date of filing for you and also the due date for due dates, so that you can, for your better analysis. Okay, we offer flexible pricing designed to grow with your practice. The free plan, perfect for trying out quickly, gives you a set number of free conversions every month, advanced data matching, export to Excel, and standard email support. The Pro plan, this is our top recommendation for growing tax practices. In addition to higher conversion limit, advanced data matching, and Excel report, The Pro plan unlocks priority email support. The Enterprise plan, designed for even larger deals with massive volumes. It includes everything in Free and Pro, plus priority call support, on-premise deployment options, and an installable desktop for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And if you happen to have a busy month during tax season and hit your limit, don't worry. We offer credit packages available in value and bulk packs. These are one-time purchases of extra credits that never expire and get used automatically only when your monthly credits are exhausted. So, stop spending hours on manual data entry and start focusing on what you do the best: expert tax analysis. Experience the speed and precision of GST Reco Pro today. Head over to our website, sign up for free, and take the first step towards a more efficient GST reconciliation. Thank you for watching.